Hello everyone, this is gonna be a very important video, so please do not skip this video. I'm gonna show you exactly the process step by step on how you can make $20,000 this month and how my trading system will actually help you achieve this with real life results and statistics. No BS. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's go straight into the numbers and how much money will you need to actually make this possible. Okay, I have been searching through all of different prop firms, which ones do actually pay and which ones are the best ones. And I have found really accessible prop firms such as Funded Next has been one of the best and the most reliable prop firms that are actually paying. Now, we're gonna take as an example this $25,000 daily payout account. Okay, guys, this is for futures, but you can also do it for Forex CFD. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you are a Forex trader or a futures. This system will actually work for any of them. Okay, so they do have this daily payment model. And first, before we start, I want to be very clear. I am not affiliated with this prop firm or with any other prop firm. I'm not actually affiliated with anyone. Okay, I am an independent trader. I love to trade and I just want everyone to make money trading. Okay, guys, this is actually one of the best times to be making money. So I think you have to take advantage of these opportunities. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's very inexpensive. You can actually do that with Funded Next or also with Tradify. Okay, so currently Tradify, they are also one of the best prop firms in the space. They do pay, okay, and both of them, they actually pay pretty quick. Okay, so they do have the 25K evaluation for just $65 and the 50K for $99. Okay, and they both have the daily payment model. Okay, so if you go here to view the rules, you will see that they do offer the daily payouts. Okay, and these are some of the options that they do have for Forex accounts. Okay, guys, so if you are a Forex trader, you can see that they do have these 25K for $100 and they have these 50K for $172. Now, the advantage is that they actually pay. Okay, guys, you can see that they do have a lot of payouts. I'm going to stick to this Funded Next $25,000 prop firm challenge. And you can see, for example, this is some of the payments that they have been doing. And all of these payments took place today, okay, in these $25,000 accounts. And as you can see, it took less than a minute. After you build the buffer, you're going to be able to withdraw $800. So let's do the math, okay? You are allowed to have 5 accounts. So let's just take as an example, these $25,000 accounts. You can have 5 accounts, okay? And out of each of these accounts, right, you're going to be able to withdraw $800 every day. And out of every single account, you're going to be able to make 5 payouts or withdraw 5 times. So let's say that you withdraw the maximum amount, which is $800 for each account. Okay, you're going to have $800 times 5 that you can actually withdraw. That's going to be $4,000 per account, which means that if you have 5 of these accounts, which is pretty accessible, right? You saw the price, it's pretty accessible. You're going to be able to make $20,000. That's, guys, that the return on the investment is very, very high, right? So if you are considering in taking trading seriously and as a career, dedicate yourself into trading, right? This is totally worth it, guys. Back in the days, I was working inside a hedge fund and I had to go out and look for investors like wealthy $1 million investments. And right now it's very accessible. You can get funded pretty quick and you can copy your trades, right? So all of these 5 accounts, you might be wondering, like, how can I trade 5 accounts? Well, there are copy traders that allow you to trade these accounts at the same time. All right, perfect, guys. So now we are on TradingView and this, what you're looking at on the screen, that is one of my best trading systems. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Ulrich and this is my YouTube channel and I have been trading for the past 17 years. If you like this type of content, I recommend you to subscribe. I am very passionate of developing winning trading systems and this one is called Money Printer 4.0. Okay, guys, and it's the trading system that I currently use, me and my students. I have other systems. I have breakout systems. I have other systems that work amazingly in the NASDAQ, in the US 30. Okay. But today we're going to be talking about this system. And the reason is because it gives you the alerts of the buys and the sells. This happened today. very quick, very easy during New York session. I just took my sale, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, stops above, and that's it. Okay. Now I know what you might be wondering, if whether this works or not. The answer is yes, it works. Okay. Like I would never ever waste my time in making videos on something that doesn't work. Okay. I've been working on this system for the past 4 years, and these are my personal private statistics. And I do have a very close to 80% win rate, which means that for every 10 trades, I win around 9 to 8 trades. Okay. Now, the beauty of this is that the expectancy rate trade is a 2.36 R, okay, which means that for every amount of money that you risk, you're going to make double than that. Okay, so every trade, I go for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Look at the profit factor. That's absolutely crazy, guys. This is insane. And actually the win rate can be increased to almost a 90%. I do trade for the session of New York, but you can apply these to London or Asian session. Okay, I just take 1 or 2 trades a day, and that's it. I do trade less than 30 minutes every single day. Okay, my students love it. I do love it. And this is the system that we have been using to pass prop firms and grow small personal live accounts. You can see this is the weekly performance, okay, with my system. And as you can see, this is the total net R that it has been making consistently every week. So as you can see, every week it makes consistent back-to-back wins. Okay, so in average, it gives around 20 R. Okay, so that's, guys, these numbers are absolutely insane, because even if you break the rules, you will still make money. Okay, so we will do a little back test, okay, on one of the days, and it's going to be random. It doesn't matter. I'm just want to show you how to trade with this system and how you will be able to make $20,000 this month, okay, by having daily payouts with the prop firms. Okay, guys, so now let's do the math and see how much this system costs. Okay, guys, so this is the website you can purchase using the link down in the description below. Okay, you can see the screenshots of the system. It has a trading panel and it gives you the alerts, the buy and the sell signals. You can customize your alerts. You can get them to your phone, to your smartwatch, and this is $249. Okay, guys, so let's do the math. So if you purchase this indicator, let's say you start with one account, okay, that would be $328. Okay, with this amount, you will be able to make your first $800, which means that in your first payout, you're going to be able to make 472 bucks. Okay, so with that amount, you're going to be able to purchase the other 4 accounts. Okay, guys, and you're going to be able to consistently make these 20K with the minimum amount invested, which was around $300. So now let's do a little back test with the system so that I can show you and you can see how it works. Okay, perfect. So I just added my Money Printer 4.0 indicator to the screen. You can see here is the dashboard. Here in the lower corner, you can see it says Money Printer 4.0. So let's begin. Okay, so let's go to a higher time frame first. So the first thing we do, okay, is go to a higher time frame. You can go to a 1-hour chart, okay, just like this one, right? So first of all, I'm going to mark my levels closest to the price, and I'm going to see what is the main structure. Okay, so you can see this is the previous daily high, right? And this is the current intraday level. Okay, here you can see that price has made a little support right here. Okay, also you can mark the low of the day right there. Okay, guys, so after you can see what's going on, right, there's no actual trend taking place. The only thing that we can consider is that price had made this low. We had this previous low, which got broken, creating this new high, correct? Also, you can see that it made a new higher low. So very slowly, we have seen a shift in structure, market structure shift, right? We have this high, it is untouched, and we have price currently sitting at this support. So what is the most logical read about this? Well, that price will reach the high from the previous day. Okay, so I am bullish for today. So we're going to be focusing in taking buying opportunities or buying signals. So what do? Now you go to a lower time frame. So now that we are at a lower time frame, okay, we can just wait for an opportunity, okay, for a buy opportunity. Okay, guys, this is the New York Open. Right here we have the New York Open. Let me just put a little separator right here so you can see where is the New York Open. Okay, so I only stick to the first hour of New York. It is not necessary to stay longer than that, okay, because the market will obviously slow down. Okay, so you want to stick to the most active sessions, right? All right, so here, guys, you can see that price is starting to create some sort of a support, right? And now price starting to break out of this level to the left. So if we zoom out, remember that we marked the previous daily high, which is right above here. Okay, so all of this is going to be our zone to trade. Okay, and we just want to wait for an opportunity, okay, to arise, maybe a buy opportunity here, right? So let me delete everything and let's just wait for us to have a buying opportunity. That's it. Okay. Okay, so notice how price is coming back into this broken level to the left, right? Let's just wait and see if we get a buy signal. Okay, guys, so here we have a buy signal. It is aligned with our main trend and bias, which is bullish, right? You can see that price was creating this little double bottom. Okay, this structure of price is starting to create a double bottom. So how would you attack or enter into this trade? Well, very, very simple. You just take your buy, okay? You will enter at the close of the candle, right? And your stop loss is going to be placed below the swing point, right? So this is the low of the swing point. You want to keep your stop loss safe and out of the way, right? And your target is going to be the next logical zone. So in this case, it is a 2.5R. Remember that my system usually gives you an average of a 2R. Okay, so let's actually try to take some buys in here. Okay, let's take around 5 contracts and let's enter the market. Okay, our target, our stops. Okay, and you just let the market do the rest. Okay, you don't interfere. Okay, just what you can do is just trail your stop loss, right? So that you can reduce some risk. And there you go, right? You made your money, your trade was very successful. As you can see, guys, reached the target that we were mentioning. That was the previous daily high, remember? So now what you can do is just call it a day. But since we're just doing a simulation, I just wanted to show you what happened next. Okay, so this right here, this was the high of the day, guys. Okay, this is the high of the previous day. So now let's see if we have a fake out, right? Or a liquidity grab. Okay, so now, okay, perfect, guys. So now we have a sell. Okay, so I was about to tell you that we were waiting to see if this was a fake out, right? Because we have the high of the previous day, and now price broke and closed back inside, and now it's retesting. Okay, so now we have a sell signal, guys, right? So let me just go back a little bit, okay, because I couldn't stop this thing. Okay, so here is the place that we would take our sell. Okay, you want your stop loss to be out of the way, right? And you can safely target the next support level for maybe around, let's see, okay, if we get a 2R out of this trade, okay? So this would be the most logical level to target, right? Because this was, remember, this was a previous support, okay? It made like a double bottom and then price moved and reached the high of the day. So let's go back, okay? And let's take our trade. We place our take profit, right? And our stop loss, okay? Now, remember that with these prop firms, you can trade directly from your trading view, okay, guys? So let's see what happens, okay? As I said, this system, it has a very, very high win rate, okay, guys? So as you can see, we have 2 out of 2 for the day. It reached your target pretty quick. You can see it was pretty clean, pretty perfect. Okay, 2 trades for the day. That's more than enough. Okay, guys, I don't recommend you staying and trading more than that, okay? Because obviously you will increase your chances of doing some sort of a mistake. Okay, so now let's see if we get another trade right before the London close. Okay, so here we are having another sell signal, which we will take, okay? Obviously, if this was in real life, I would not take more than one trade, okay? I'm just being very clear on that, but since we are just doing a little simulation, I want to show you guys, okay, how the system works, okay? So as you can see, we had another little kind of fake out, right? Like price failed to make a new high, and once again, close back inside this level, right? So now we have price trying to pull back. And what is going to be our most logical level to target? Well, obviously this one, right? So let's delete all of the annotations and let's go back and let's see. We would take our trade right here, our stops around this level, and we would target another 1 to 2, okay? Just to be conservative, we're going to place just a little higher, okay, just in case price decides not to reach that level completely, okay? We don't need more than that because we already have 4R for the day, actually a little bit more, 4.5R, okay? So now let's go and see, okay, we enter, we can take a little bigger amount, okay? We take our sell, our take profit, and our stop loss would be right above this area, right? Confirm. And let's see how it goes. Perfect. So once again, our target was reached. And as you can see, guys, it actually reached that low that we were targeting and even way beyond than that. So that would be more than enough, right? It was 3 winning trades. As I said before, this system is extremely precise and reliable. I trade with this every day, right? And it's definitely an amazing tool to help you pass these prop firms. As I said before, guys, this is very, very accessible. And once you make your first payout, this is gonna be paid by itself, okay? I also have other systems with extremely high win rate. Okay, this is the other website and it does include all of my systems, okay? It has the money printer. It also has Dual MW5. It's very powerful tool. And it also has this ATM strategy. It works so good in NASDAQ and the indices. This is a breakout strategy, okay, for my breakout traders. And this includes one Zoom call with me. Also, if you are new into trading and you want to take your trading career seriously, I have this program. This is a VIP apprenticeship mentorship training program. It includes all of my systems. Okay, this is just for serious traders, only 3 spots, and you're going to be working side by side me and you're going to be trading with me, right? We will pass prop firms together. I will review your personal mistakes. I will help you create a personal trading plan. I will dedicate myself to make you a consistent trader. Okay, I'm going to make sure that you will have success in your trading career. Okay, you can send me an email. This is my email. Okay, and we can talk about it. Also, if you want to see more of my trading system and my journey, this is my free Telegram group. This was the trade from today. As you can see, the TP was mashed. Okay, every day I post my trades and everything. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I really want to see everybody win. I'm looking forward to see you inside my program. Take care and goodbye.